Hello. Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the rest of the puzzles. The rest of the puzzles in the puzzle page and also in the additional. Not in today's newspaper. Today's newspaper on Monday, February the 19th, 2024. We have no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the additional and in the puzzle page of the weekend edition. The weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, February the 17th, 18th, 2024. We have here in this puzzle page 2 puzzles left. The 3 stars Sudoku, well, it's a 2 stars. And we have a binary puzzle left in this puzzle page. In the additional, in the same newspaper of Saturday, Saturday, February the 17th, we have 3 puzzles left. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the 1 star jigsaw Sudoku. So total of 5 extra puzzles. Let me solve the first one. First one is the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number, I believe, number 8033. 8033. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one is 27 printed digits. Should be a 1 star. Yeah, a 3 stars puzzle has always 25 printed digits. This one has 27, 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle? We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number? Well, which number can I pick? Come on. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in the third row. So no 3 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and 2. The 3, 4 is missing. The 5, 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 4, 4. 6, 6. 3, 3. Come on. This is a hard one. 8. Oh, 8 in this row. 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 in the column next, no 8 there. Only place left for the 8 should be there. 1, 1. 2, 2, 2, 2. Come on. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this third column, no 5 there. 5 in the second column, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5, it should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5. 5. Need a 5. Oh, need a 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in this one, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9. Need a 4 here. 9. We have a 1 in this column, last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay. 6, 6. Need a 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in this second row, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for 2 in this big square. Should be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. The 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. Well, need a 6 there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 4, 6, 7. Well, we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So the 4 and the 7 are left. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers are left in this row for numbers. The 2 is missing, 2 and the 9. Well, we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. Alright. Then, need a 1 here. Need a 9 there. Yep, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this row. Oh, no. We already have a 1 here. Well, need a 1 here. 1 and a 9, yeah. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in this second row, so no 1 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Let me mark those. 4 and a 7. And 1 box left now in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 3 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is 3, the 4, and the 5, and the 6 is missing. Yeah. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 in the column next, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. So the 3 and the 5 are left. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So on that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and a 3 goes there. Then 4 missing numbers now in this big square. The 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 9. We have a 3 and a 9 in this column, so no 3 and 9 in this box. 3 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 2 and the 3. Yeah, 2 missing numbers now in this row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between. Only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 2, could be here, could be there. The other number in this column should be the number. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now in this row, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright, 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 and a 9, overlook this 9. We have a 9 already in this second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 and 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. Well. Okay. 3 and a 9. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 9. 7 and 9 cannot fill this yet. Well, 4, 7, 9. 2, need a 3, but the 8, need an 8 there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left, 4 and 7. Yeah, of course, 4 and 7, 4, 7, and 9. Then, well. 3 and a 4, 7 and a 9. Need a 1 here. Yeah. Need a 1 there. Let me see. How about the 6 then? Yeah, 6 in this row. 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 4 and the 9. 7, 4 and the 1. 7, 4 and 1. I need a 1 there. I need a 1 there. 7, 1. How about the number? I need an 8 here. Yeah, 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. Together with the 1, I believe, we have a pair. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this second column, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So the other pair should be the 4 and the 7 here. And then we have a 4 and a 7 here. No, 3, 4 and 7. Okay. Interesting. 8 and a 1 and a 7 and a 4. Oh well, 1 and 8. We already have an 8 in this column. So here can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 7 and a 4. We have a pair, 7 and a 4. That means 1 digit left in the first column for them are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. The 9 is missing. So here should be the 4 and a 7 also in this big square. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 4 and a 7, we have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. 4 and a 7, we have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes in there. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes in there. 1 box left in this row, I believe the 7, yeah, 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. So the 4 and the 9 are left here. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, 9 goes there, finish in 40 minutes, well. Faster than 50 minutes, definitely a 1 star, yeah, told you. And we solved it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.